Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 21. Switch to dark mode. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account with Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for what school of business. We can now start the tutorial. So let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom, explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Now let's just wait for this to load. Should take some time. Once that has loaded, now let's go to the right top corner where we have all these features. In the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to locate the notifications. Now we have this cogwheel, which is the settings. If I were to click on the settings, we can now switch to dark mode. So let's click on this dark mode, and there we go. We now have Yammer in dark mode. If I were to go to the left hand side navigation menu, navigate from admin, home feed, communities, inbox, my communities, all company, and now we have Yammer in dark mode. If we would like to revert back to the original, untick dark mode, and there we have it, where we started. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.